Come test drive the 2018 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Your new ride is just a phone call away.